You're going to want to watch this one. We've got a hottie today. This is a 1973 Camaro Rally Sport Pro Touring. Under the hood is an LS6 engine. It's got the air, it's got the suspension and the brakes and the wheels and the paint and Italian leather custom interior. This car is absolutely amazing. I love it. 6-speed manual trans, posi rear. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 collector cars, all for sale, and that's where you'll find a price tag and a monthly payment on each car, including this one. Each car also has about 80 pictures and videos and descriptions and the financing, insurance. All of that is there, including our contact info. There's also a QR code. It's going to be on the screen throughout the video. You can scan that at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car, or there's a link down in the description. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, before it gets away from us, this has the Rally Sport front end. That's the nose that sticks out, little reconfigured lighting, and it has split bumpers instead of one bumper going across. So the body is phenomenal. It's absolutely straight, big flat panel hood. I shouldn't say it's flat, it has some nice contours, but it's all straight. Same with the fender. Actually, looking all the way down the car, it's all straight. All this is clean. The gap is right on the money. Beautiful gaps. And I just wiped it down with a microfiber towel. I didn't find a bubble or a crack or any defect. There's no door dings. Big doors on these Camaros, and this one opens very nicely. Shuts nice and solid. The roof is straight. Coming down here, there's always cracks and issues. Not on this one. All clean and straight. Right behind the tires, all straight, clean metal. Color matched bumpers. Everything is painted gloss black, has a low profile spoiler. All this is looking great. Look at the reflection of my hand down here, down low. It's all smooth and glossy and slick. Outstanding. The door fits beautifully. Same thing on this side. There's no cracks, no issues. I don't recall if there was a rain gutter, if that got shaved, or if that's the way it is, but it's all smooth here. Sport mirrors. Nice thunk, no rattle. Behind the fenders. The body is phenomenal. The black paint is gorgeous. Because I was wiping it looking for imperfections. There's 3 little nicks touched up right there. There are some little stone chips behind the tires, but not rust. And I'm sure there may be some other very minor flaws that you'd have to look for. Nothing that needs to be repaired, nothing that's going to detract from the look of the car. The insert grille is real nice. The front bumpers are color matched. There is a red and gray hand pinstripe going down the side. I don't know if you noticed that. The windshield looks new. The rest of the glass looks original. It is tinted. The back window does have some scratches because it's original. The trim is blacked out around the front and back windows and the door handles. And back here, the tail lights look nice. There's a camera because it does have a backup camera, which we'll get into when we get inside the car. 18-inch Boze wheels, and look how wide they are in back. They're wrapped in Nitto Performance tires. I think they got the tire size, the width, the wheel looks great on this car. And those are fairly new too, by the way. Very new, actually. Stance is great. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you. Wait till you see that LS6. It's even got a cool trunk compartment. How about that? Underside of the trunk lid's painted glossy, so is the jamb. It looks like there was some sort of hinge here at some point, or rod that holds it open. I'll have to check on that. But there's a panel back here with a subwoofer, JL audio, JBL. The floor you can see is this red houndstooth material. It's got a battery box with a master disconnect switch right there. Battery tender, which plugs right in, I believe. And of course, a nice car cover. It's not a bag of money, it's a car cover. It will be included with the car. You subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when videos are posted. This interior is awesome. But first, the door jambs, they're nice and clean. The bottom lip on the door is clean. The weather strips were replaced. Full-blown custom interior, tastefully done. Italian leather, all smooth, soft leather. You can see it has the red houndstooth inserts. Custom molded lower section because there's speakers in there. Red stitching. That's all leather. Now we're looking at the leather wrapped and red stitched dash. Let's see if I can turn on the, well, it's a push start, and I don't want to start it and have it go through the wall, but the gauges are custom, all light up. Here's a speaker or a microphone for the stereo, so it's a hands-free stereo. It's a push button start. And here's the infotainment system. It's got navigation, the backup camera, Bluetooth. And again, this is all wrapped in leather, all real nice. This is all nice, clean trim. Kick panels look good. It has LED lights. It has the German square weave carpet, including matching floor mats. Custom-made console, all wrapped in leather. Custom boots, 6-speed manual. Heated seats. Cup holders. Very well built, nice little console here. Has your plug-ins for charging your phones and that. Nice custom contoured sport seats. Again, Italian leather, red stitching. And the headrest is leather. Same German weave carpet back here. This bottom box was custom built. There's compartments in here. I guess if you really wanted to, you'd find the bottom seat, and you could put a seat in here if you wanted to, but how often are you going to put someone in the back of a Camaro? Just another compartment. The seat back is all upholstered. Side panels are done. You've got a custom shelf back there with more speakers. It's got quite a sound system. Side panels are real nice. The headliner's replaced. Custom 3-point retractable seat belts with red stitching. LED dome light. Visors are redone. It's got a modern mirror. It's a tilt column with a Nardi flat bottom steering wheel. So this is one heck of an interior. It's a class act in here. Nice. Also has power windows. Those window cranks, I don't know if you noticed them. Those are power window switches. And it has power locks on the key fob. Car automatically locks when you walk away with the key fob. So that's a 5.7 LS6 motor. It has LSXR intake. That's like a $1,800 intake with a 102 millimeter throttle body. Fast fuel rails. Nice cold air intake. Has a serpentine front runner system. Vintage air. It's a nice Chevrolet cast aluminum covers. Has some stainless steel custom-made headers. Fuel regulator. I'm not sure what that is, so I'm not going to guess and look dumb. These support bars, they're called Max Force. When you get support bars in the engine compartment, anything that keeps the body from twisting makes the car handle better. Has horns. You got some support bars up here as well. Griffin aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, the polished overflow bottle, electric water pump, power steering, nice stainless braided hoses to the hydro boost. It's a Hydrotech power brake system with a Willwood master cylinder. Little reservoir there, that's for the hydraulic clutch. Hinges look like they've been coated. Everything's painted nicely and detailed. Under the hood is insulation. So yeah, really nice ride. You're liking it so far. Michael's going to take you for a ride. We'll see you in a few minutes.
The pickup is really something out of this LS6. She feels really, really tight revving and just abundance of power. Really have a lot of fun in this one. Just get in, turn the key with the fuel injection, don't think twice. 6-speed will definitely help you out when you're cruising on the highway. And yeah, lots of creature comforts here. We have the air conditioning on. I got the heated seats. And one of my favorite things is the exhaust dumps, which we're going to demonstrate right now. Flip the switch right there. And yeah, it's a whole different game. I'm excited to make this little pass. Let's see what she's got. Alright, just like that, we are, oh boy, speeding. Let's kick it into 6th gear and bring it down to 60 miles an hour. Looks like we're cruising at basically 2,000 RPMs. This thing is so tight with all the upgrades that they made on the undercarriage. Changing lanes is an absolute breeze. See how it goes down the street here. The front end is like super tight on this car. I pulled a U-turn with it. Turning radius is so small. It's fantastic. Alright, it looks like I'm in the wrong lane, but we're going to go ahead and finish it off here. What a fun car. What a great restoration. Done the right way. Come take it for a test drive if you'd like to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So it's got a lot going on underneath the car too. You can just tell by its stance. It has a custom suspension, lowering springs front and back. It's got gas shocks, tubular control arms, a nice custom exhaust. It has stainless headers. It goes into an all stainless exhaust system. It has the X pipe, MagnaFlow mufflers, and QTP electric cutouts. So you can hit a switch and it's just dumps the exhaust right out and really rocks the ground. Disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels. They're big drilled and slotted discs. 6 piston red calipers in front, 4 piston in back. They're Willwood. It has an e-stop electric emergency brake. You hit a button and the e-brake sets. Fuel system was replaced. It's compatible with the fuel injected motor. Looking up at the motor, it's clean. It's an aluminum oil pan, high torque starter, 6-speed manual trans. It's a Tremec transmission, 12-bolt rear end, 373 gears. Also has nice, good, solid floors, and it has frame connectors from the front to the back. They're countersunk, so they're not hanging down. They're welded in, so again, keeping this car from twisting. This thing's gonna handle. This thing is classy, it's fast, it handles. It's a car that you're gonna wanna get out and drive and see what it can do, and you are gonna turn heads everywhere it goes. And you'll be riding in comfort. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your Camaro delivered home. Thanks for watching.